Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. After completion of double consonant curves and their related 3 exercises, आज हम करेंगे additional forms. The double consonant FR, VR, ITR and DR are represented by F reverse forms. जैसे हम एफ आर बनाते हैं लेफ्ट मोशन से, वैसे ही उसका रिवर्स फॉर्म किससे बनेगा? राइट मोशन से. एफ आर, सिमिलरली वी आर, इथ आर एंड डी आर, दीज आर द रिवर्स फॉर्म ऑफ द ओरिजिनल एज वेल एज बाय. और जो ओरिजिनल फॉर्म हमने सीखी थी वो तो हम बनाएंगे ही. आगे अब हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि ये रिवर्स फॉर्म कहाँ यूज होगी और ओरिजिनल फॉर्म कहाँ यूज होगी. व्हेन वन ऑफ दीज डबल कॉन्सोनेंट स्ट्रोक्स इज द ओनली स्ट्रोक इन द वर्ड. कहने का मतलब कि ये डबल कॉन्सोनेंट स्ट्रोक जब वर्ड में सिंगल बस यही स्ट्रोक बनेगा किसी भी वर्ड में, द रिवर्स फॉर्म इज यूज्ड. रिवर्स फॉर्म यूज होगी एफ आर, वी आर, इथ आर और दी आर की इफ द वर्ड डज नॉट बिगिन विद अ वॉवल. एक और कंडीशन है कि वॉवल से वर्ड स्टार्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, उस केस में रिवर्स फॉर्म यूज होगी. एज इन फ्री, फर्स्ट सीरीज, थ्रू द लाइन, रिवर्स फॉर्म, heavy dot on the third place of fur after it. Next is freight, similar reverse form, fr series halved for the sake of t here, and heavy dot on the second place of fr after it. Fruit, same outline, halved fr is used here on the line and heavy dash on the third place of fr after it. 3, ith वाला, ठीक है, ithar 3, through the line, reverse form है heavy dot on the third place of thir after it. Through, same outline only, क्या, heavy dash on the third place of thir after it. So these are the examples of reverse form. And but in either, क्या आ गया स्टार्टिंग में, डिप्थोंग आ गया या कोई वोवल आए तब भी रिवर्स फॉर्म यूज नहीं होगा, ओरिजिनल फॉर्म यूज होगा. एज इन आइदर, दर above the line and I diphthong on the first place of der before it. Ever, we ever, were, we and are in the original form on the line and light dot on the second place of were before it. Offer, ठीक है, for above the line, ओरिजिनल है, ये सारे ओरिजिनल फॉर्म्स हैं. for above the line, light dash on the first place of for before it. Same outline halved for the sake of d, offered, in offered, above the line, and same light dash on the first place of offer, for halved before it. Next is other, the on the line, and light dash on the second place of the before it. Next rule is when joined to another stroke, the forms are used which join most conveniently. किसी भी और स्ट्रोक के साथ इसको ज्वाइन जब करेंगे तो वो फॉर्म यूज करेंगे जिससे बनाने में कन्वीनियंट हो, मतलब कन्वीनियंटली आप बना पा रहे हैं तो वो फॉर्म यूज करेंगे, आइदर ओरिजिनल और रिवर्स. यूजुअली द रिवर्स फॉर्म्स आर जॉइंड टू स्ट्रोक्स रिटन टुवर्ड्स द राइट. जो राइट की तरफ मुड़ती हैं, मतलब जो अप टू डाउन आ रही हैं वो राइट हैंड की तरफ जा रही हैं, तो उनके साथ क्या रिवर्स फॉर्म यूज होती है यूजुअली. या जो हॉरिजॉन्टल हैं, फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट बनती हैं वो भी, तो उनके साथ क्या रिवर्स फॉर्म ही यूज होती है यूजुअली. एज इन बिफोर, बी ऑन द लाइन एंड फॉर, reverse form is used here and cut on the second place with the heavy dash for it. Clear है. Next is bother, be above the line with der, na, light dash on the first place of be after it. Leather, upward L on the line with der, light dot on the second place of upward L after it. Brother, bur on the line, der, same reverse form, and light dash on the second place of bur after it. Cover, K above the line से start करते हुए वर रिवर्स फॉर्म finishes on the line and light dash on the second place of K after it. Covered same है, only क्या word series halved हो जाएंगी for the sake of D here. Same outline है. Next is discover. D through the line, S circle, K and were. Reverse form है same. Light dot on the third place of D after it. Light dash on the second place of K after it. Forgot. For series reverse form above the line से start करते हुए गे and T. Light dash cut here on the first place of for. Another light dash on the first place of gay after it. Gather, gay above the line with the series. Reverse है. Light dot on the first place of gay after it. Lever, through the line से start करते हुए upward L. Reverse word is used here and heavy dot on the third place of verb before it. Hanover, upward edge above the line N and word reverse is used here. Light dot on the first place of upward edge after it and heavy dash on the second place of N after it. Note, Thursday. Third, S circle and D is used here, double tick underneath for the sake of proper noun. And cut the light dash on the second place of third and heavy dot on the on the second place of D after it. 30. Third on the line and T. Light dot on the third place of T after it. Fresh. Fur, reverse form of fur and ish is used here. Light dot on the second place of fur after it. Next, C rule. After K, gay, N or straight upstroke, FL and VL are reversed. अब वो कैसा बनेगा? FL and VL कैसा बनेगा? मोटा, मतलब एक हैवी हुक बनेगा, बड़ा हुक बनेगा, लार्ज हुक बनेगा, जिससे हम उसके रिवर्स फॉर्म जैसा ही होगा, जिससे हम क्या पढ़ेंगे, FL और VL. जैसे हम स्मॉल हुक बनाते हैं FR और VR के रिवर्स फॉर्म में, वैसे ही FL और VL को हम लार्ज हुक बनाएंगे. ओके. आफ्टर के, गे, N और a straight up stroke, FL and VL are reversed. Clear है? Rifle. Upward R above the line with full, I diphthong on the first place of upward R after it. Reflect. On the line से start करते हुए upward R, full, K halved for the sake of T here. Light dot on the second place of full after it. Neville. N and whirl on the line finishes it, and light dot on the second place of N after it. Novel. Above the line N and whirl, reverse form of whirl is used here, and light dash on the first place of N after it. Rival. Upward R above the line with whirl and I diphthong on the first place of upward R after it. Cavalry. K above the line, whirl and upward R is used here. Light dot on the first place of K after it and light dot on the third place of upward R after it. Next rule is the double consonant stroke ish L, shall जिसे बोलते हैं, is always written upward. The stroke ish R is always written downward. Easy to learn कि इश आर का साउंड आएगा तो डाउनवर्ड बनेगा, एंड इश एल का साउंड आएगा, शल का साउंड आएगा तो अपवर्ड बनेगा, शर का साउंड आएगा तो डाउनवर्ड बनेगा. एज इन ऑफिशियल, एफ अबव द लाइन विद शल, light dash on the first place of F before it and light dot on the third place of shall before it. Shelf. Shall on the line से start करते हुए with F finishes on the line. Partial. Above the line से start करते हुए P, upward R and shall is used here. Heavy dot on the first place of P after it. Specialize. S circle, P on the line. Shall with S circle is used here. Light dot on the second place of P after it and I diphthong on the first place of shall after it. Speciality. S circle, P on the line, shall with T. Light dot on the second place of P after it. Light dot on the third place of T before and after it. Next is essential. S stroke, N stroke and shall is used here. Light dot on the second place of S before and after it. Artificial, upward are halved for the sake of T here. F stroke shall is used here. Heavy dot on the first place of upward R before it. Light dot on the third place of F before it. Light dot on the third place of shall before it. Official. Next is pressure. Per series on the line. Shur series is used here. Light dot on the second place of per after it. Fissure. F through the line and shur series is used here. Double tick underneath for the sake of proper noun. Light dot on the third place of shur before it. Next rule is the heavy sign NGKR. Inger sounds is used to represent NGKR or NGGR ना. Thinker जैसे think it through the line बनाते हुए NG स्ट्रोक के साथ R का हुक ऐड करेंगे तो ये बनेगा. ठीक है. Inger. Thinker it through the line with anchor and light dot on the third place of anchor before it. Banker, B above the line with anchor, light dot on the first place of B after it. Conquer, K above the line with anchor, light dash on the first place of K after it. Finger, F through the line with anchor and a light dot on the third place of anchor before it. Stronger, STR is used here above the line with anger and a light dash on the first place of STR after it. These are the short forms for this chapter. Reverse form is of FR is used here for from. Same reverse form for very, VR, and it, the are above the line for they are, and same outline on the line for the sake of they are or there. सो दीज आर द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइजेज जो आपको नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में मिलेंगे. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.